Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. As you know that you are promoted to new class in grade 1 Nazra, and I am your new teacher Miss Faiza Fawad, and I will teach you the subject English. Welcome you all in your English class. So it's our first class. I hope you will enjoy your first class. Okay, so before going to our topic, first we will do a short practice on standing lines, sleeping lines, and curved line in slanting lines. Okay, we will do a short practice on these lines. Let's do practice. Draw a standing line. These are standing line. This is standing line. Look at the lines. Just okay, daddy standing lines, mama standing lines, brother standing lines, sister standing lines, and baby standing lines. Okay, these are standing lines. Okay. Okay, now we have sleeping lines. Look at the dots. There are lots of dots. Fill these dots. Now we have sleeping lines. Okay, so sleeping lines, mama sleeping lines, daddy sleeping lines, brother sleeping lines, sister sleeping lines. Okay, practice sleeping lines. This is sleeping lines. Now we have slanting lines. How we will draw a slanting line. The first, if the line is bent toward right side, so it will be right slanting line. If the line is bent toward left side, so it will be left slanting line. Okay, these are slanting lines. Curve, right curve. Now look at the curve. It's right curve. Just look at your right hand and look at this curve. This is on right side, so this is right curve. Okay, now left curve. Look at the curve. It's in left side. Okay, this is circle. Look at the circle. Draw circle. Okay, you will do practice on these lines and circles. This is circle, left curve, right curve, slanting lines, right slanting line and left slanting line. Sleeping lines, standing lines. Okay, these are standing lines. So now we are going to start to write A to Z. All alphabets, we have 26 alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we will first practice A, that how we will write A. Okay, so let's do practice on A. This is capital. First we will write capital A. Capital A we will write. We will start from the top and drop a slanting line, go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Then go a little below and draw a sleeping line like this. Okay, go a little below and draw a sleeping line in mid. Okay, this like this we will write A. Okay, how? We will start from the top and we will drop a slanting line, two slanting lines. Okay, go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side, then go a little below and draw a sleeping lines. Okay, so this is our capital A. Now we will do what? We will write a small a. Okay, like this. Start from the middle, make a right curve, reaching the bottom next. Go to the middle again and draw a slanting line downward with a small curve at the bottom. How? Again listen. Start from the middle, make a right curve, okay, reaching the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a slanting line downward with a small curl at the bottom, okay. So now we are going to move to write the letter B. That's how we will write letter B. B, capital B. First we will start from the top and we will draw a line, a standing line down. Okay, start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top, then next step, go back to the top and make a curve at the middle, then draw another curve. Okay, so this is B. That's how we will write the letter B. Okay, now how we will write small b. Look at this, okay. Start from the top and draw a standing line. Downward, go to the center of the line and add curve touching with the bottom of the line. How? Again listen. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add curve touching with the bottom of line. So this is your capital B and small b. Okay. Now we are going to write capital C. That's how we will write capital C and small c. First we will start from the top and we will draw a curve touching a bottom. Okay. Start from the top and draw a curve touching a bottom. Okay, and how we will write small c. We will start from the middle and draw a curve till bottom. Start from the middle and draw a curve till bottom. Okay, and we will write this small c in mid two lines. And how we will write capital? Capital we will write in first three lines. Okay. Now the next is letter D. Capital D and small d. Okay, we will write D very easy. Okay, we will start from the top and we will draw a standing line. We will draw a standing line. Okay, down and go again to the top. After this we will go again to the top and we will draw a curve till a bottom. Okay, we will draw a curve till a bottom. Now how we will write small d? We will start from the middle and we will draw a small right curve. This is right curve. Look at the small right curve. We will go to the middle. First we will start from the middle. Okay, then after this we will go to the top and draw a standing line downward with a small curve. Okay, at bottom. Now how we will write E, the letter E? We will start from the top and we will draw a standing line down and we will go again to the top and we will draw one sleeping line to the right, then go to the middle and we will go to the middle and we will draw another line. Lastly, go to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way. Okay, how? Again listen. Start from the top and down draw a standing line down, go again to the top and draw one sleeping line, then again in next line in mid draw another sleeping line. Okay, lastly in the last line, in the last third line, go to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way, just like this. Okay, and how we will write small e? Okay, we will start below the middle, we will start below the middle, making a loop and continue to make a curve to reach the bottom. How? Start below the middle, making a loop and continue to make a curve to reach the bottom. We will make a curve like C. Okay, and we will make here a small loop. Okay, got it? This is our capital E and small e. Now we have the next letter F. That how we will make, it's very easy, just like E, that how we will write E. Okay, but we will just remove the last line, the last sleeping line. Okay, now we are going to write the letter F. Letter F. We will start from the top and we will draw a standing line down. Then we will go again to the top and we will draw one sleeping line to the right. Then we will go to the middle and we will make another line in the same way. Okay. How? We will start from the top and draw a standing line. Then we will go again to the top and we will draw one sleeping line to the right. Then we will go to the middle and we will make another line in the same way. Okay, and if we draw here the another third sleeping line, so it will become E. Okay, the F, in F we will just use two sleeping lines. Okay, very good. Okay, now we have small f. We will start from the top, making a curl and then continue to make a straight line down below the bottom with the small backward curl. Look at this, with the small backward curl. Then we will go in the mid and we will draw a sleeping line in the mid. So this is our F. Okay, got it? Now letter G. How we will write G? So we will write the capital G like this. We will start below the top and we will draw a curve touching the bottom and further till the middle. Okay, then we will draw a sleeping line in the mid. After this we will draw a standing line. Okay, we will draw a standing line from the middle till the bottom. And how we will write small g? We will start from the middle and we will make a small c, then we will go to the middle again and we will draw a standing line and we will go down with a small backward curl. Okay, so this is our writing skills, that how we will write these all letters. Okay, if you write it good, so your teacher will become very happy. So now practice these all letters. Okay, so that's all for this is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.